My name is Manan Soni. I am from Kota, Rajasthan, India, and currently I am pursuing my 4-year Bachelor's in Hotel Management from Welcome Group Graduate School of Hotel Administration, Manipal University, Karnataka. This course includes all major departments in hotel industry like culinary, F&B, housekeeping, and front office. But my interest in culinary goes even further. As a kid, I used to love working in kitchen with my mom, helping her with as little as I could do. And as I grew, my interest also grew. And during my past in college, I realized that I feel best working in kitchen, and my dedication in work can be shown in many events and feasts I have led as a leader and got appreciation a lot of time. I have done my 6 month of industrial training in Hotel The Lalit New Delhi. It's a 5-star property. It have 2 specialty restaurants and 1 coffee shop. I got the opportunity to work in one of its Indian specialty restaurant Baluchi and its coffee shop. I learned about the basics and advanced in Indian cuisine and basics in world cuisine. The reason I want to go to USA is its vast amount of culture and heritage this place have, and it have a vast amount of culture, and with culture comes the cuisine, and it's the best opportunity to learn about the different world cuisine at a one place. USA is known for its best in class hospitality and food, and the food which is prepared by the best in class chefs from around the world. And I want to learn all the skills, the knowledge by working with them. Thank you. My kitchen. And now I'm going to show you some basic cutting skills. First of all, always use a sharp knife to avoid injuries and place a wet duster under your cutting board to avoid sliding. Now we will start with the onion. The first cut is fine chop of onion. Second cut is onion fine slice, Indian style. Next cut is tomato roundels. Next cut, we will cut juliennes of capsicum. Remove or de-seed the capsicum before cutting. Next cut, juliennes of carrot. Never throw off these trimmings, as we can use these to make a wonderful vegetable stock. Cut some diamond cuts out of capsicum. First, deseed capsicum. Now make it a proper from all the sides straight and cut 2 strips out of it. Now put a diamond cut on the edge and cut it diagonally the whole length. This will give a beautiful diamond cut. Namaste.